Let's take a look at the trades that we did today on October 2nd, 2025. We did two trades on SPY 670 puts. First one was for some small profits, and the second one ran for a 91% profit. But let's take a look at what we did, just so you can see how we're doing these trades. And of course, you can copy the same trades that we do if you are in the Discord. So first things first, this is the Discord here. I did say this morning, AMD and Tesla and a lot of things are looking quite high. Tesla actually was a great short trade today, if you did catch that. So you could have some profit taking here. But I'm looking at SPY 670 puts, and that's what we did, right? Okay, so there's market open in 670 puts at 0.9. Then we got stopped out, which is a little too bad. And then in again at 85 cents. So let's take a look at what happened there. Actually, 1 minute chart is going to look better for this. This is what happened in that first 5 minutes. So we got in on the off the open at 85 cents, ripped down, and then we just got stopped out on this pullback. So kind of a bummer. But then we saw this candle here, as you can see, 633. Where are we? 1, 2, 3. This guy, it wasn't going to break this 670.5 or break and hold, let's say. So we entered here, got in at 85 cents. We see a little bit of chop back and forth, and now we see this nice move downwards, right? Now I did talk about the 669-ish area as a spot to watch out for. And so, as you can see here, out at $1.62, which is, so 644, which is right on this candle here. So we got out here at $1.62. Perfect. Just because the 669 area isn't a spot to watch out for. And as you can see, it was. We had this a little bit of chop back and forth, failed to break 669.5, and then we did see movement lower as the day went on, and of course it reversed from there. But why 669? And as you can see, we have this area as well, 668.5. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. So 668.5 is previous day close. Important one to watch out for. 669. So let's take a look at this. Why should you be aware of 669? Well, it's basically almost the top of this area here, right? And so that's what we want to be a little bit careful for. As you can see in pre-market, it was looking at that area for a retest, and it did. And so we just decided to take profits there. Now, it did go lower here, of course. This thing, if you had held longer, this thing was going to reach, what did it reach? Let's take a look here. 670 put, $3.28. Disregard the low. This didn't really happen off the open. Opened around 80 cents. But yeah, you could have maybe held on to $3.28 if you wanted to risk it. But we didn't. We just took the profits here, and we're happy with it. So one trade for 91% profits, a shorter one at the beginning for 10%. And that's what we did. And we didn't do anything else the rest of the day. Tesla puts were amazing. Huge run on those. But that's all I got today, guys. So yes, again, everything alerted live, as you can see. If you want to join the Discord, you can. Copy the same trades that we do. Try it out. If you like it, awesome. If you don't, cool. You can leave as well. So that's all we're going to do. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully we'll post another video tomorrow, and we will catch you on the next one.